Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use an old-school washing machine. First, always sort your laundry by color and fabric type. This prevents colors from bleeding and protects delicate items. Next, load your clothes into the tub, making sure not to overfill it. A good rule of thumb is to fill it about 2/3 full, allowing enough space for the clothes to agitate freely. Distribute them evenly around the central agitator to ensure a balanced spin cycle and efficient cleaning. Now, let's talk about detergent and water. Add your detergent directly into the empty tub before adding clothes or water. For a standard load, about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of liquid detergent is usually sufficient. Then, select the appropriate water level based on your load size. A small load might need 10 gallons, while a large load could require up to 20 gallons. Finally, choose the correct water temperature according to your garment care labels to protect your fabrics. With your clothes and detergent in, it's time to select the wash cycle. Most old-school machines offer options like normal for everyday items, permanent press for wrinkle-resistant fabrics, and delicate for fragile garments. Choose the cycle that best suits your laundry. Before starting, ensure the lid is securely closed. This is crucial for the machine to operate correctly and prevent any water from spilling. Allow the machine to complete its full wash, rinse, and spin cycle, which typically takes 30 to 45 minutes. Once the cycle is complete, remove your clean clothes promptly to prevent wrinkles and the growth of mildew. After emptying the machine, it's good practice to wipe down the inside of the tub with a clean cloth. Leave the lid open for a few hours to allow the interior to air dry completely, which helps prevent odors. Don't forget to regularly clean the lint filter, often found on the agitator, to maintain your machine's efficiency and ensure optimal performance for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.